Hello and welcome to Easy Onyx. In this video, I'll be showing you the build photos and the flight videos of my AEROSWIFT. So as you can already see, it's a flying wing. I designed it to look more like a bird once it's in the air because I wanted that appearance. I had the hopes of, flying this with my 3D printed EDF, but along the way, I felt it would be better for the propeller. Now, the bird-like fuselage is built out of 4mm thick plywood, both sides of the fuselage, and I cut lightning holes on the plywood to lighten the wood but maintain the integrity of the wood, the strength. The wings, however, were cut out of foam and reinforced with plywood. Alright, at this point, I have everything complete already, but the wings, however, lack the vertical fins at the tip. The wing has this progressive negative twist starting from the root to the tip. It's such that if the root of the wing was at a 0-degree angle of attack, the tip would be at negative 5 degrees angle of attack, so it kind of adds this natural stability to the airplane. It's a flying wing, and the tail, however, also works as an elevator, but with minimal deflection. So at this point I had the EDF, but then I decided to mount the propeller, and I made the motor mount with aluminium. Here everything is already coming together and looking good, and the vertical things have been made. The plane is just about complete, but without the decals here. This is my first bird-like wing airplane, and I kind of fell in love with it during the build process. The servos were mounted on the top of the wings to protect them, during landing, and from scratching the ground or damaging the servos. Everything turned out great. I loved it. Very small fuselage but huge wings. At this point, I had already done the decals, AEROSWIFT Easy Onyx, and it turned out pretty good. And I had to take a picture, of course, with the airplane. All right, so this is the maiden flight. I have a lot to say about the maiden flight, but I wouldn't like to spoil it for you. So let's just watch it together, and you understand what happened. So here goes.
Wow. Wow, this is awesome. Flies great. Wow. This flies great. Wow. Man, this bird has gone far.
At this point, I was
No,
already
no, no, no,
making
no.
my landing approach, and
Come
the
on, come
wind
on, come
kicked
on, come
off.
on, come on, come on.
I was
Come on,
flying
come on.
slow,
Come on, come on,
and
come
I
on.
kind of seemed
No,
to
no, no,
have
no, no.
less control
Come
over
on,
the
come on,
airplane.
come on,
It started
come
to
on.
wiggle and waggle, and I ended up crashing. It was bad. I realized that with this airplane, the slower I fly, the less control I have over the airplane. The less authority the ailerons have.
I lost it. I think I lost the part. Just the engine came up. Okay. Oh, fuck. Thank you. I can glue that back. Thank you very much. Oh, no.
So I went home and I fixed the damages, put back the motor mount and the wings, and everything was good again for the second flight. At this second flight, I had a friend, to help me record, while I also record from my head-mounted camera.
Yeah, I'm trying to come back. Wow. Yeah, I'm coming back. Yeah, I'm coming back. Wow.
You're coming back.
Yeah, I'm coming back. Yeah, I'm coming back.
I can't see it again.
Okay. Wow. 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 Let me see if I can land it. Wow. 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 Let me see if I can land it. Wow.
Beautiful. Wow.
Alright, let me land it.
Okay. 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 I can see you.
No, come on.
No, come on.
I stalled. I stalled in the landing. Alright, so I think this should be the end of the AEROSWIFT. Maybe not. Looks like I broke the wing. Okay, the wing is good. It's still fine though. Alright. Alright, so that's the flight of the AEROSWIFT. I stalled in the landing and the nose is bent.